my garden that Genesis and Jen have really assisted me in making this project successful. As you can see, my garden is doing amazing. I have about 8 tomato plants and different varieties. I have started them from seedlings, and they've just really taken off. I have a couple pepper plants and some hot peppers. I have some purple bell peppers. And I have scallions also, some parsley. I have some cucumber plants also. So I'm super excited to make something, just even, maybe if I don't make anything, just cut them up and just eat them fresh, other fresh vegetables along with it. So welcome to my garden.
Can I follow you in there?
So I have different varieties here. I have, these are, I think they're called Merlot tomatoes. They started out as like a lime green, and then they turned to a purple, as you can see here. These aren't quite ready to be harvested, but then some of them are just, they're just a beautiful color. They have like a nice variation. I have some here that are yellow and purple, and then I have some down here that are orange in color. So these are the nice orange ones.
There you go. Nice.
And then here are
What are you growing?
Cucumber, the cilantro,
This pepper.
and this is a nice mint. Tomato, a nice tomato, million, watermelon.
Oh wow. It's what?
Very hot.
Different beans,
Different beans.
different. All of them same thing. It's different.
Greece?
Greek,
Okay.
everything. Greek.
Everything Greek beans.
Everything. Yours.
Tomatoes?
Tomates. Αυτή ήταν μεγάλο.
Won't grow any higher. That's the size it grows.
Is this garlic?
Leeks, thank you. They're from Greece. Oh, they're both
Αυτά είναι
figs.
μεγαλύτερα, εκείνα είναι μικρότερα και αυτά αργούν πηγαίνουν μικρότερα.
These are later to bloom than those. These are white figs. Those are the red normal figs.